Hello students, I welcome you all to live classes. This is Ram Saurabh, your maths teacher. Children, in the previous class we have discussed about the linear equation two variables, like how to find the solution of the two equations, like a pair of equations. By graphically we have discussed children. Children, today's session we are going to discuss about how to find the solution of the two equation, like pair of equation by algebraically. Okay, so let us see children how many methods like we have find the solution algebraically. Here children, algebraically means like theoretically, isn't it children? Now let us see children one by one. Children, in the previous class we have discussed what? The graphical solution, isn't it children? The graphical method of finding the solution for a pair of linear equation. Like how we are finding the solution for the pair of linear equation graphically. So graphically means what children? Here practically we can say, otherwise by drawing the graph also. So that is called what? The graphical representation of what? Finding the solution of what? A pair of linear equations. Okay, that's the first one. And children, the second one what we have discussed? The relation between the what? The coefficient and the nature of what? Solution of equations. Isn't it children? The relation between the coefficients and the nature of what? System of equations. That means I told you children, suppose I have the two equations. One is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. So another equation I am taking a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So I have the two equations children. I want to find the I want to actually decide. So what type of solutions like both the equations has, isn't it? So further we have the condition children. First we need to compare a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. Okay children. We need to compare what? The ratio of a1 a2 and b1 b2 and c1 c2. In case if these ratios, okay children, if these ratios are satisfy one of the among these three ratio, that means what? First ratio is what? a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, so what we can say? We can say unique solution. Okay, that is the first condition. And what is the second condition children? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. First condition we can say consistent, we have the single solution. The second condition we can say inconsistent. So inconsistent means we can say no solution. So we can say there is no solution. Okay, we can say inconsistent. And third one, what is children? Can you tell me what is the third one? How we can decide the third one? Third one is very simple children. So third one we can write as a1 by a2 is what? Tell me children. b1 by b2 is equal to what? c1 by c2. If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, so we call into what children? So this condition we call as, any idea? We can say consistent but is dependent. Okay, so this is called consistent, but we can say this is dependent. So dependent means, can you tell me how many solutions it can have? So it have infinitely many solutions. So we can say infinitely and you can say many solution. Okay. First one is consistent children. Consistent means we have the again two types in the consistent. First one is dependent, another one is independent. So independent means we can say directly it has single solution, no issue at all. If it is dependent, okay. If it is dependent, so how many solution it can have? So dependent means it can have the infinitely many solution. Okay. Here children, dependent means the two lines are what? Coincide to each other here. So one line is what? Lying on another line. So in that case what we can say children? The two lines are coincide to each other. The two lines are coincide to each other means what we can say? The two lines are coincide to each other, therefore it can have infinitely many solutions. Okay children, so these are the last class children we have discussed this nature of the what? Solutions of the equation. Okay, the first method is what children? The graphical method of finding the solution, that already we discussed clearly. And second one is what children? A relationship between the what? The coefficients and the nature of the system of the equation. Okay, now children, today we are going to discuss about the same method children, I want to find the what? The solution of the equation by algebraically, not by graphically. We can find how we can find algebraically. See, algebraic methods of finding the solution of the what? A pair of linear equation. I want to find the what, children? Solution of the what? A pair of linear equation. Which method? That is called algebraic method. The total how many methods we have? Let us see one by one. The first method is what, children? Substitution method. I want to find a solution by using what? A substitution method. And second method is what? Elimination method, children. And third method is what? A cross multiplication method. Okay, children, today's class, today I am going to discuss about only a substitution method, and this elimination method and cross multiplication method will take one session for this. Okay, so each class I am going to discuss only one method, and today's class I am going to discuss about what? A substitution method. Clear, children, my point? So how we are going to use the substitution method to find the what? The solution of a pair of linear equation. So that is about today's class, children. And this elimination method and cross multiplication method we will discuss later classes. So every method I will take each one class, children. For this one class I will take, and for this I will take one class. Clear, children? This point, are any doubts? Okay, children, let me start this. What is substitution method? Okay, children, substitution method. Okay, substitution method means very simple, children. First, suppose we have some equation ax plus by, otherwise not this, we will go for general equation, not standard form. I have something x plus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, children, x plus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. Children, convert this equation as y is equal to something, or write down x is equal to something, children, anything. You bring complete equation as what, children? Y equal to something. That means write only LHS part should be it has only y, or it can have LHS part is only x. So y is equal to something, or we can say x is equal to something. So after writing x is equal to something or y is equal to something, so take that like y is equal to something value or x is equal to something value, substitute and second equation. Suppose second equation is you are taking something x plus y is equal to 4. So this y is equal to something value or x is equal to something value, take that value and substitute in the second equation. Okay, after substituting that equation you are going to get some value. So from that value we can bring the what? X value, and you can bring the what? Y value. So that is called substitution. Substituting means what? Instead of x we are writing something, instead of y we are substituting some value. So that is called what? Substitution. Are you getting my point, children? Substitution means what? In the place of y you are converting into something x, otherwise in the place of x you are converting into what? Something y. So that is called what? Substitution method. Substituting, just replacing. You can think as replacing. We are replacing y as in terms of x, or you can replacing x as in terms of y. That is called what? A substitution method. Clear, children, this method? Are any doubts? Okay, children, let me write one by one all the steps how we are solving this. Children, step number 1. In one of the equation, okay, a pair of equation means we have the two equations. So in that we are taking the one of the equation, express one variable in terms of what? Other variable. Express one variable what? In terms of other variable means you can write x is equal to something y, or you can write y is equal to what? In terms of x also. Anything, children, it's up to you. Okay, you can express one variable as something in terms of another variable. You can write y as something x, or you can write x as something y. That is the first point. Next one, substitute the values of y. Suppose what we are doing, say we are expressing y is equal to what? Something. I am writing what? Expressing the equation y is equal to something. So I am expressing y in terms of y. So y is equal to what? I am expressing in terms of x. So substitute this value obtained in the step 1 in the second equation. So take this y is equal to something, children, and substitute in the equation what? 1. Maybe equation 2 or equation 1. Okay. If you are taking the equation 2, substitute in the equation 1. If you are taking from the equation 1, substitute in the equation 2. Anything. Then step 3 what, children? Simplify the equation in step 2 and find the value of the x. Because after substituting the y is equal to in terms of x, the equation what? In terms of only x. So from that you bring the what? The value of x children. Okay. Next, substitute the value of x in the step 3 and substitute in the what? In the place of, sorry, and substitute the value in the equation to find the what? Y value. After getting the x value, what you have to do? Take the x value, substitute any one of the equation to find the y value. Okay children, that is substitution method. Then check out the what? Substitution method by substituting the x and y value in the original equation. Suppose you are getting the answer, you got answer something x and y, but I wanted to do the cross checking. So take the x and y value, substitute any one of the equations. So you will get the LHS value is equal to what? You will get the RHS value. Clear children these steps? Okay, in case, okay, don't remember this step children, I will tell you an example. So try to remember with that example only. Now children, let us see one example question. See, I have the two equations children. One is what? A 2x minus y is equal to 5. Another equation is what? A 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. Are you getting my point children? I am taking the two equation. One is what? A 2x minus y is equal to 5. One more is what? A 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. Now children, I want to apply this, I want to find the solution of these two equations by which method? Substitution method, isn't it? So let us see how we can do this sum. First, children, you do one thing. So 2x minus y is equal to 5. So take the equation as 1. 3x plus 2y is equal to what? 11. So take the equation as 2. Clear children this point? I am taking the first equation, I am taking this equation as 1. I am just writing this as the equation as 2. Now from equation 1, what I am writing children? See, what is the equation 1? 2x minus y is equal to 5. Okay. See, I am writing this complete equation, y is equal to in terms of x. That means I am transposing y is this side. So y is equal to, so bring the 5 this side. So we can write as 2x minus 5. Okay children, I am just writing, I am representing y is equal to something. So y is equal to what? In terms of x. So I got y is equal to what? A 2x plus 5. Children, take this y is equal to 2x minus 5, substitute in the equation 2. Okay, so what is the equation 2 children? This is 3x plus 2y equal to what? 11. But already we know what is the y value children? Y is equal to 2x minus 5. So in the place of y, substitute this value. So that is called a substitution method. Are you getting my point? I am replacing y as this value children. I am replacing y is equal to what? A 2x minus y. Let us see how we can do. So this is what? A 3x plus 2 into y value how much? 2x minus 5. So this is 2x minus 5. Okay, y is equal to 2x minus 5, and what is the next value? Equal to 11. So write down equal to 11. This is 3x plus 2 into 2x, we can say 4x, 2 into minus 5, this is 10, is equal to 11. 3x plus 4x, what is the value children? 7x. Minus 10, send RHS side, it is plus 10. So 10 plus 11. So 7x is equal to what? A 21. So x is equal to 21 by 7. So x is equal to how much children? Answer is 3. Okay. Children, we got the x is equal to how much? 3. Then do one thing children. So take this x is equal to 3 and substitute here. Y is equal to what? A 2x minus 5. Otherwise you do one thing. Take x is equal to 3, substitute in the equation 1. Or you can substitute in the equation 2 also. Not issue children. You can take that value, substitute any one of the equation to get the what? A y value. So better I will go for equation 1 because equation 1 is what? A simple equation. So calculation also simple. So what is the equation 1? A 2x minus 5 is equal to 5. So x value 3. So we can write as 2 into 3. So this is minus y is equal to 5. So 2 into 3, it is 6 and minus y is equal to 5. Children, transpose y this side and bring the 5 this side. So 6 minus 5 is equal to y. So y is equal to what is 6 minus 5 children? Answer is 1. See, x is equal to 3 is the one solution and y is equal to what? 1 is the one solution. Am I clear children this point? So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. So both are the two solutions. Clear children this point? X is 3 is the one solution and y is equal to 1 is the one solution. And children will do one thing. Suppose you got this answer, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. But I want to check whether my answer is correct or not. So what you are supposed to do? So take these two values, children, and substitute in the equation, in the given equation, maybe equation 1 or equation 2. Okay. So x is equal to what? 3 and y is equal to 1. See, I am got x is equal to 3, I got y is equal to 1. Children, I am doing what? A cross checking. I want to check my answer is whether correct or not. So what I am doing, you take any one of the equation. So better I will go for equation 1 and substitute there. So this is what? A 2x minus y is equal to what? 5. So take LHS, 2x minus y. So this is what? A 2 into x value how much? 3 and y value how much? 1. So 2 into 3, 6. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. See, children, even LHS, here LHS or RHS both are equal. So LHS value 5, even RHS value also 5. So can I say this x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1? Can I say it is a solution, children? Yes, it is a solution because it is satisfying the what my given equation, LHS and RHS parts. Okay. Then still I want to check for this equation also, children. Let me take this also. This is what? A 3 into x is equal to what? 3. And this is 2 into y is equal to what? 1. So this is 3 and this is what? 3 3s are 9 and 2 1s are 2. So 9 plus 2. What is the answer, children? 11 is the answer. Okay. So 9 plus 2 is equal to, we can say answer is 11. Again same. LHS is equal to what? Again RHS. So LHS value is equal to again RHS value. Clear, children, this point, or any doubts? So very simple, children. I told you already, just you write down y is equal to something, or you can write as x is equal to something. So after writing, just substitute in the place of x in like y value, otherwise substitute in the place of y x value. Something you can just substitute, children. So we'll get the answer is very simple. Okay, and simplify both equation 1 and equation 2. Clear, children? Any doubts regarding this question? Now let us solve another question also, children, the same manner. 3x minus 5y is equal to what? A minus 1. What is the given equation, children? 3x minus 5y is equal to what? A minus 1. Next equation is what? X minus y is equal to what? Minus 1. Children, I will take the second equation because second equation is a little bit easy equation, children, because coefficients are here 1, x coefficient also 1 and y coefficient also what? A minus 1. So both are looks like easy. So what I am writing, children? So this I am writing x is equal to minus 1 plus 5. Okay. So I am writing like I am representing x as what in terms of y. Okay. I am writing x is equal to what in terms of y. So x is equal to minus 1 plus 5. Now take the equation first, children. So this is what? A 3 into x means what? Minus 1 plus 5 minus 5 into y, let it be, children, I am not changing y. So this is equal to a minus 1. 3 into minus 1, so we can say minus 3. 3 into y, we can say a 3y. 5 into y, we can say a minus 5y is equal to what? A minus 1. Clear, children? Next one. Okay, we'll do one thing. So 3y and minus 5y, what is the value, children? We can say a minus 2y. And this minus 3 transpose RHS side. So minus 1 means it is plus 3. So minus 2y is equal to what is the value? This is 2. Okay, so minus 2y is equal to 2. Then y is equal to what is the value, children? Y is equal to minus 1. Okay, we got the y is equal to what? A minus 1 is the answer. Then children, take y is equal to minus 1 and substitute any equation. You can go to the equation 1 or you can go equation 2, any one. So I will go equation 1, children. Let us see. So what is the equation 1? 3x minus 5y equal to what? A minus 1. Children, what is the y value we got? It is a minus 1, isn't it? So I am substituting here. This is 3x, 5 into y value, it is minus 1 and this is what? Minus 1. So 3x minus into minus, so this is plus and this is minus 1. Children, send the 5 RHS side. 3x is equal to minus 1 and minus 5. 3x is equal to what? A minus 6 and and x is equal to minus 6 by 3, then x is equal to what? A minus 2 is the answer. Clear, children? So y is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to minus 2 is the answer. Okay. So these are the two solutions, children. We can write minus 2 and minus 1. So this is a what? A pair of solutions. Clear, children, this question or any doubts? This is the first method, children, that is called what? A substitution method. It's a very simple, children. Just write down y is equal to something, or you can write as x is equal to something, and take x is equal to something value or y is equal to something value, substitute in another equation. So after like substituting there, just simplify. Bring any one of the value. You can find the y value and substitute in the place of first equation or second equation, or you can find the x value and try to get the y value. Clear, children? That is the procedure. Okay, fine. Now, children, another question. It's a word problem, children. Let us see how we can do. So Rubina went to the bank, children, to withdraw how much? Rupees 2000. She went to the bank and she wanted to what? Withdraw rupees 2000. And she asked the cashier to give what? Rupees like 50 rupees notes and what? 100 rupees notes. So rupees 100 rupees notes. And she got total how many notes, children? She got 25 notes. Okay. Children, I will do one thing. So I will take number of 50 rupees. Number of 50 rupees, I will take something x. Number of 50 rupees notes, I am taking x. Then I am taking number of 100 rupee notes. Okay, I will take something y. Okay, children. I don't know number of 50 rupees notes, I don't know number of 100 rupee notes. So I will take, this is what? This count is x and this count is y. Okay, children. But already they mentioned the question, children. She got total how many notes? She got total 25 notes. So 25 notes means, can I write x plus y is equal to 25, children? Isn't it? I can write x plus y is equal to what? 25. X plus y. So the number of notes are what? 50 and 100. So I can write that is a 25. Okay. So take the equation as 1. Next one. Children, what is the total amount here? The total amount is equal to rupees 2000. So 2000 means, how we can write this 2000, children? I want to find the total value. So value we can write as 50 rupees into number of notes are how many? 50 x. Then 100 rupee, number of notes are y how many? 100 are y. So we can write 100 into y. So this total value equal to what? A rupees 2000. So we can write as, so this we can write as 50 into x is what? A 50x. And 100 into y we can write as what, children? 100y. So this is a rupees 2000. Clear, children? Okay. Now, children, we have to solve this equation. So what I am doing? What is the equation 1? X plus y is equal to what? A 25. So from this x plus y is equal to 25 means, from this can I write x is equal to, otherwise you can write y equal to, so I am writing y equal to 25 minus x. I am writing y is equal to what? A 25 minus x. Now, children, you can take this equation as 2. Now, take this y is equal to what? A 25 minus x in the equation 1. Substitute y is equal to what? 25 minus x and substitute, so take y is equal to 25 minus x and substitute in the equation 1. So, what I am writing? This is 50 into x plus 100 into, so what is the y value, children? 25 minus x. Y is equal to what? 25 minus x. Okay. So this is a 20 into x and 100 into y. So y is equal to 25 minus x is equal to what? A 2000. Clear, children? Again, do simplification, children. So this is what? 100 into 25. We can write as 2500. And this is what? 100 into minus x. We can write as minus 100x. is equal to rupees 2000. Okay. Now children, 2500 send that side. So this is 50x minus 100x. So I can say minus 50x. 2000 and 2500. We can say how much children? 2000 minus 2500 is? It is 500. So we can say negative 500. Children, here 0, 0 cancel. This is 5 cancel. Here 5 how many times? 10 times. So x is equal to how much children? 10 is the answer. Okay. If x is 10 means, can you tell me what is y children? So y is equal to what we got already? 25 minus x. If x is 10, so y is equal to 25 minus x. So y is equal to what? A 25 minus x. So y is equal to 25. X value already we know. How much children it is? 10 now. So 25 minus 10. So what is the 25 minus 10? Answer is 15. So y is equal to how much? The value is 15. Clear children? X is equal to 10 and y is equal to 15. So here x is what children? The number of the number of what? 50 rupee notes. And what is y children? The number of what? 100 rupee notes. So this is the number of 50 notes and these are what? Number of 100 notes. So x is equal to what? We got 10 and y is equal to what? We got 15. So total number of notes are what? 25. So 10 plus 15 is equal to what? Answer is 25. Clear children? Any doubts regarding this sum? Okay. Next one children, another question. Let us see. And this is also a word problem children. Mary told to her daughter. Children, here we have two people. So one person is what? Mary. Another person is what? Her daughter. So Mary and daughter. So both two persons we have. So we will take the Mary age is something x children. Okay. I will take Mary age is x years. I will take Mary age is what? Something x years. Then her daughter age. Children, I don't know what is her daughter age. So daughter age, I will take y years. Okay, daughter age, I will take how much children? Y years. So Mary age is x years and daughter age is y years. Okay children. Now, what is the first condition? 7 years ago. So write down here. 7 years ago. 7 years ago means, what is the age children? Mary age 7 years ago. So this is x minus 7, isn't it? So we can write as x minus 7. And what is the age of the daughter age? Can I say y minus 7 children? So that is what? A y minus 7, because 7 years ago. Ago means like before. So before this is x minus 7 and this is what? A y minus 7. Okay, that is the first condition. And what is another condition children? I was 7 times of as old as you were. That means her mother is what children? 7 times of her daughter age. So we can write as x minus 7 is equal to, tell me children, x minus 7 equal to 7 times of y minus 7. So this is x minus 7. Children, multiply 7, 7y and this is minus 49. Okay. Now bring everything one side children. This is x minus 7y and this is minus 7 and this is plus 49 equal to 0. And we can do simplification children. This is what? X minus 7y. Minus 7 plus 49. What is the value children? Plus 42 equal to 0. So take the equation as 1. Make clear children this point? Like 7 years ago means x minus 7. This is y minus 7. Okay. But what is the condition? 7 years ago. Mother age is what? 7 times of daughter age. So x minus 7 is equal to 7 times of what? A y minus 7. So this is x minus 7, 7 into y, 7y, 7 7 the 49. Okay. Then children, bring the variables are one side, everything is one side. So this is x plus 7y become minus 7y, it is minus 7 and this is plus 49 becomes, sorry, minus 49 become plus 49. So x minus 7y plus 42 equal to 0. Okay, that is as per the first condition. Next children, second condition. As 3 years from now. So 3 years from now means, can I say children, after 3 years? So we can write as 3 years from now. 3 years from now, what is the marriage age? X plus 3. And what is her daughter age? We can say y plus 3. 3 years from now means what is the children? After 3 years, isn't it? So 3 years from now means we can say x plus 3 and we can say y plus 3. That is what? 3 years from now. And what is the condition children? I shall be 3 times of as old as you will be. That means the mother age is what again? 3 times of daughter age. So we can write as x plus 3 is equal to 3 times of y plus 3. So this is x plus 3. So this is a 3y plus 9. Okay children. Now bring the variables again one side. X minus 3y. And this is what? A plus 3 and minus 9 equal to 0. So this is x minus 3y plus 3 minus 9. What is the value children? This is minus 6 equal to 0. Clear children up to here? Any doubts? First I am taking the marriage age is what? X and her daughter age is y. So as per the first condition we got this equation, and as per the second condition we got this equation, second equation. Now I want to apply what children? Substitution method. Substitution method means what? We have to write x is equal to something or we have to write y is equal to something. Okay. So what I am doing children? From the equation 1 I am writing x is equal to something. Okay. So what is the equation 1? Look at here children. This is the equation 1. So from this equation I am writing x value children. Okay. I am writing what? X value. How can we write x value? X is equal to, tell me children, x is equal to, from the equation 1 I am writing x value. X is equal to what? 42 minus, 7y minus 42. This is what? 7y minus 42. Are you getting my point? I am writing from the equation 1. So what is the equation 1? I am writing x is equal to 42, like minus 7y become plus 7y and plus 42 become a minus 42. Okay. So that is the equation 1. Okay. Now children, you do one thing. So take this x is equal to 7y minus 42. Substitute in the equation 2. So what is the equation 2? X minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. X is equal to what we got? 7y minus 42. So substitute here. 7y minus 42 minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay children. So this is what? Is 7y minus 42 minus 3y and minus 6. Minus 3y and minus 6 equal to 0. Children, 7y minus 3y, what is the value? It is a 4y. 42 and minus 6. Minus 42 minus 6. What is the value children? It is minus 48 equal to 0. So 4y is equal to what? A 48. Then y is equal to what children? 48 by 12. 48 by what? 4. So 48 by what? It is 4. So this is what? This is 12. So 4 ones are and 4 12s are. So y is equal to, answer is 12. Children, we got the y is equal to how much? 12 is the answer. Now do one thing children, take the y value and substitute here. Take the y value, substitute here. So x is equal to what? 7 into y value, it is 12 minus 42. So x is equal to 12 sevens are, this is what? 84 and minus 42. X is equal to 42 minus, 84 minus 42. What is the value children? So again it is 42. See, x is equal to y is equal to 12 years and x is equal to 42. Clear children? See any doubts? So we can say Mary age is equal to what? A 42 years, and our daughter age is equal to what? A 12 years. Okay children, any doubts regarding this sum? X is equal to what? 42. So that is Mary age is equal to 42 years, and Y is equal to what? 12. So we can say Mary daughter age is equal to what? A 12 years. So that is the question children. Children, these are the word problems. So first word problem we have to convert into a statement form. So after converting statement form, again apply the substitution method. Again substitution method, very simple. Write down Y is equal to something, or you can write down X is equal to something, like in terms of Y. So Y you can write as in terms of X, or you can write X is equal to what? In terms of Y. Then substitute any one of the equation, you will get the what? Like not one of equation, remaining equation, leftover equation. So from there you are going to get the answer children. Okay. Clear children, any doubts regarding this question? This question is important children, this type of question like word problems. Okay. Now children, let us see another question, the same type of. See, 5 years ago, Nori was thrice as old as Sonu. Children, here have exactly here two people. So two people means what is the one people children? It is a Nori is the one person. One more person is what children? Sonu is one more person. So Nori age you can take as X, and Sonu age you can take as Y. Okay children, Nori age is what? X, and Sonu age is you can take as Y. Now what is the condition? 5 years ago. So 5 years ago means like 5 years before, that is. So 5 years before. So what is the age? Can I say Nori age is X minus 5? Yes or no? We can say 5 years ago. So this is 5 years ago. So 5 years ago Nori age is what? X minus 5. And the Sonu age is we can write as Y minus 5. Isn't it children? 5 years ago Nori age X minus 5, and what is the Sonu age is Y minus 5. What is the condition children? Nori was 3 times as old as Sonu. So Nori was means Nori age is what? X minus 5. 3 times Y minus 5. Yes or no? So multiply children here. This is what? X minus Y. So multiply 3 inside. So this is what? A 3Y, and this is what? A minus 15. Again bring everything one side children. So this is X and minus 3Y minus 5 plus 15 equal to 0. So X minus 3Y. So minus 5 plus 15. We can say plus 10 equal to 0. Okay children. So X minus 3Y plus 10 is equal to 0. You can take as the first equation. Now come to second equation children. 10 years later. So what is the meaning of 10 years later children? 10 years later, that is after 10 years, isn't it? 10 years later means that is after 10 years. So after 10 years, what is the Nori age again? X plus 10. And what is the Sonu age? Y plus 10. And what is the condition? Nori will be twice as old as Sonu again. Nori will be. So what is the Nori? X plus 10. So X plus 10 is equal to twice 2 times of Y plus 10. Twice. So this is what? X plus 10 multiply 2 inside. 2Y plus 20. So we can write as X plus 10 is equal to. Okay, we'll do one thing. So bring everything one side children. So this is X minus 2Y plus 10 minus 20 equal to 0. Okay children. And this is what? X minus 2Y plus 10 and minus 20. What is the answer children? 10 minus 20. It is minus 10. So this is minus 10. So take the equation as equal to 0. Forgot to write equal to 0. Okay. So this is equal to 0 and take the equation as 2. Clear children up to here? As per the two conditions, we got exactly 2 equations children, isn't it? Now from this again we need to find the what? X value and Y value. Okay. Now what we have to do, you can write as X is equal to something, or you can write as Y is equal to something, anything children. So what I will do, from this equation 1, This I told you equation 1. From this I am writing x is equal to. So how we can write x is equal to, children? X is equal to, I can write as 3y minus 10. So take x is equal to 3y minus 10 and substitute here, children, in the equation 2. So I am writing x is equal to 3y minus 10. X is equal to what? A 3y minus 10. And this is a minus 2y and it is minus 10 equal to 0. Children, 3y minus 2y, can I say single y? Minus 10 minus 10, I can say minus 20 equal to 0. Then what is the y, children? Y is equal to 20. Okay. So we got y is equal to how much? 20 is the answer. Then children, take y is equal to 20 and substitute in the place of x. So x is equal to how much we got here? X is equal to 3y minus 10. So x is equal to 3 into y value 20 minus 10. So 3y. So 3 into 20. What is 3 into 20, children? It is 60. 60 minus 10. So 60 minus 10 is equal to, answer is equal to 50. Okay. So x is equal to 50 is a one solution and y is equal to 20 is a one more solution. Therefore, x means what, children? Here Noori age. So what is the Noori age? 50. So Noori age is equal to what? 50 and Sonu age is equal to what? 20. So y is equal to what? 20 is the answer. Clear, children? Any doubts regarding this question? First of all, children, it is actually word problem. So word problem means everything we need to convert into a statement form. Statement form nothing but by taking the variables. Okay. Taking the variables means you can take one variable is x, another variable is y, because we got the two people here. So two people means like two condition, like two unknown values. One is the x, another is y. Okay. So first one is what? Noori age. Write down the condition. And next one is what, children? Sonu. I can frame the one more condition. So by taking the first situation and second situation, we have got the two equation and apply the what? Again substitution method. Again from the substitution method, what we get to know? We got the two values, children. One is x is equal to 50 and that is y is equal to 20 is our final solutions. Clear, children? Any doubts regarding this question? Children, this question, like this type of questions are very, very important, children. You try to practice it more. Like how we are converting like word form to an equation form. Okay, children. So let us see another question, children. Okay. Children, this question I'll give to homework. Okay, try to solve it. I'll give the only statement form. Okay. See, children, a lending library has fixed charge for the first 3 years. Children, first 3 like days, you can take the charge is equal to x. Charge for first 3 days I am taking x, children. Okay. And additional charge each per day, and there is charging for additional rupees something after next day. So you can take additional charge. So additional amount you can take something, it is y, children. Okay. First 3 days. So this is for what? First 3 days the amount is x. And after 3 days, like 4th day, 5th day onwards, they are charging some extra amount, so that you can take as y. Now children, see the first condition. Sarita paid 27 rupees for how many days, children? 7 days. Okay. So I am writing equation for Sarita. So what is the condition for Sarita, children? She paid for how many days? 7 days. So this is already 3 days. So this amount for 3 days. Remaining how many days, children? 4 days. So 4 into amount for extra day is y. So is equal to how much she paid? 27 rupees. So is equal to, you can write as 27. Okay. So that is the equation for the Sarita. And who is the one more person, children? Susi. Susi paid how many, children? 21 rupees for how many days, children? 5 days. So you can write about Susi. And x is equal to what? How many days? That is a 3 days. She paid for how many days? A 5 days. So extra 2 days. Extra 2 days means for 1 day amount is y. So 2 days means you can write as 2y is equal to, what is the amount, children, here? 21. So take the equation as 1 and you can take the equation as 2. Okay, children? And do the substitution. Same like again, bring x is equal to something or bring y is equal to something. Then you can substitute any one of the equations, children, and try to solve it. Then find the x value and find the y value. So that will be the what? Amount for what? Charge, like charge rupees. For 3 days amount will get, and we can get the additional amount to y we will get. Clear children? Any doubts regarding this sum? Children, 50% I have just told the answer, just remaining 50 you have to do, children. Okay, just apply the substitution method and try to find the x value and y value. Clear children? Today's class, any doubts? Okay, today actually what we have discussed, children, today we have discussed about algebraic method, like finding the solution by algebraically. Total we have the 3 methods. The first one is what? Substitution method. Today we have discussed the same thing, children. And next method is what, children? Elimination method. And third method is what? A cross multiplication method. So okay, the remaining these 2 methods we'll discuss next class, children. Okay.